that we have never seen in this camp. I've been here for 3 years, more than 3 years. I've been going up and down. This is the first time I'm seeing some of the places.
Yeah.
Well, not first time for some places, but for a few places, about 3 places is the first time. I'm gonna tell you, let's go quick before we lose the sunlight. So we were just walking around and then we decided to take some back route that we saw there. We came across 3 amazing spots, 3. And it gets better and better and better. Actually a lot, but then 3 important places. This is really cool. I've never walked on this like this. Yeah, but no, this is not one of the places. Let's go.
Whoa! Sorry, I really want to.
Tara. Yan na sudah nyo. 3, 4, 5 years.
They're gonna pull video, man.
Walk.
Whoa, this place is amazing.
This door is thick. Boy, what is this? I'll go in anyways. Just give me time. Wait. Bro, like I can fall in when I go in. That's why I'm not sure.
Sorry.
Come in. Sit. Nice. What is this place? Sandela is just some misery, guys. Anything is possible here.
This is a hall.
Turn on the light. Actually, I've never been here. I will check. Okay, this is the first spot. Why is this so important? This is the most decorated house so far. It is the most correct house so far.
Oh,
So correct. Like so new. The doors, everything. And inside is amazing. I mean, the chairs, the table, everything is solid and nice and up to date. Look at this.
the big man.
And then, this is the surprise. Come here. Ooh, wow, the camera stand. Wow. No. Actually, not this. This is this. In here, we have some crazy important document. Archives of some important crazy documents. If you want to understand something, come here. That's why I'm coming to next, so that I understand this whole place, all the fireworks and everything. Amazing. This is the first part. Let's go out quick. And it gets interesting every single time. This is the first part, and it gets interesting every single time. So let me shut the door behind me, so that no snake or other stuff will enter. Because that's how we found it. The second spot we discovered is here. When we came, the bees were noisy. Thank God now they are settled. They're calmed down. I'm going in like this. It's not safe. In here are amazing stuff. Look at this. Look at this. Alright? Look at this.
Whoa.
These are all tents, mattresses, camping bed. What is in this bag? I want to know. So, lots of amazing stuff here. Lots of amazing stuff.
Marbles.
Lots of amazing stuff. Just crazy amazing stuff. And then there are balls, and this, I can't name. And then there is a board we can use to do our lecture. This is the board. I'm taking a risk going close to the bees. This is the board. This one you use it to kill mosquitoes.
Yeah.
But this
Yeah.
And then this is the board. This is the board.
Careful. There are
Wait,
bees
that's the
there.
board. I don't want to disturb the bees, but let's go. And there's a lot of stuff here. Just let me show you the part, please. Come here. Quick, we are losing the daylight. We couldn't access this place and that place, so we will leave those one for the next trip. So let's go to our third one that we actually discovered. The third one is this. Ta-da! Look. I am so powerful. I can literally lift the block. Just look. I can lift. 1, 2. Wow. Okay, watch. I'm gonna lift this like that. So that I can actually toss these blocks. Like, I'm so powerful. No guys, no. These blocks are made up of foams. They are the lightest block you can ever see. So light, you see? Oops. But no, this is not the third amazing place. Let me show you. Come. It is this. Ta-da! Look at this gas. Lot of oxygen
gas.
If you release this, pooh. I'm kidding. This is not the third place. Let's go. Where else one? You might be surprised, right? There isn't a lot of place where we're going to. That's what makes this place so special. People don't know about this place, you know? It's a feeling gem. I think I can smell a snake.
Yeah.
I can smell a snake. You know when it's somewhere? That's let's go. Obviously there's a snake here, guys. Obviously. The question is, where is the snake? No, quick. Guys, the third place we discover is here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
The first time we opened this door, I can assure you it was the first time in 5 years or 10 years that this door has not been opened. And can you imagine what we found inside? Come on, check.
Whoa.
This.
The generator.
This. What the hell is this thing doing? Like, bro, what is this? No, seriously. Let me show them. I know. Bro, like, look. What is this? Oh, I know. I know now. But what is it doing here? What is this place for? So this is the third surprising thing. How on earth? Damn.